Lost and Forgotten, Episode 2. Encouragement of the son, even at his last breath. It's wisely said that success is not an accident, but it requires a lot of hard work. And great success requires great sacrifices. Today's incident is the height of great sacrifice. So let's take a sneak peek at this incident. June 22nd, 1858. 5 months after the execution of Lala Hukam Chand Jain in the uprising journey for independence, the second excoriation arose on this day. The person who was punished, his name was Amarchand Bhantia. He was from the city of Bikaner in Rajasthan. This Jain Shravak was the treasurer of the Gwalior city in Madhya Pradesh. Crime was registered against him for paying wages to the army of Rani Lakshmibai for 12 years, and hence he was sentenced to death. There was no mercy or value of any Indian life to the Britishers during their regime. So, these great revolutionaries were asked to apologize. But when they denied for it, they were mercilessly sentenced to death. Even Amarchand Bhantia was asked to apologize, but he did not agree. So the Britishers had many ways to bend him down. On the day of his death, in the last few moments of his life, a monstrous scene was created by the Britishers. His son was brought in front of his eyes, and Amarchandji was blackmailed. Apologize, or your son's head will be put upside down in the pipette of the cannon and will be exploded in front of your eyes. It was a dangerous condition put in front of him. We can say that it was cruelty in the vampire form. On listening to the condition, Amarchand Bhantia, who was firm as a mountain, started to become weak. He could not imagine the death of his beloved son in front of him. His son noticed his father losing strength. Without waiting for a moment, he roared, "Oh father, if you apologize, then I'm the son of a dog, and if you don't, then I'm a son of the brave and ferocious lion." Without fearing the cruel death, in few moments, the child encouraged the father for not giving up. On listening to the roar of his child, Amarchand Bhantia once again became firm and did not apologize. When the Britishers burst his son in front of his own eyes, you can imagine what he might have gone through on seeing the miserable death of his son. It was more dangerous than hell. After that, Amarchandji was hung on a branch of a tree, and his body hung there for 3 days to create the fear in opposing the British rule. This was the second sentence to death in 1857 revolutionary moment. This second great courageous leader was also a Jain. The future generations of Lala Hukam Chand Jain and Amarchand Bhantia even exist today. Meet them if you ever get a chance. Now, the question arises, who inspired these two great personalities? That we will see in episode 3. So friends, let's remember one thing in our life, that loyalty has power to make us lions. And lions have the power to conquer the world. But it should be kept in mind that loyalty should be on the right side. So with the power of loyalty, Inner Voice Pathshala always tells you to aspire yourself correctly and inspire the world.
ले तेरी मिट्टी तुझे लौटा दी, तेरा कर्ज चुकाया है। कभी दुश्मन के आगे झुका न सर जो, तेरे आगे झुकाया है। मरना भी तुझ पे जैसे कोई जश्न यारो, मौत नसीबों वाली मिलती है कम। तेरी जमी पे लूंगा फिर मैं जन्म ताकि फिर बोल पाऊं वंदे मातरम।